Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Welcome to the channel. My name is Asim Amjad. In this video lecture, we are going to find the displacement in the C bar. So, first launch the Solidworks and open the file C bar which was made and saved in lecture 1-3. So, at the start, first we view the deformed shape. So, first click the static force 2000 Newton tab and then double click this displacement 1 to activate the result, and here you see the maximum resultant displacement value, that is 0.573. So the minimum displacement, which is essentially 0, is at the fit spot, and the maximum displacement, that is 0.57 millimeter, is at the lower end. You can see this legend, the minimum displacement is 0, and here you see the maximum displacement value, and these are the resultant displacement plot values. So we will also explore the displacement at location A, and we will also explore the displacement at location B step by step. Let's first explore or find the displacement at location A. In that case, move to the sensor folder and click the stress 1 value, and right click the stress 1 and click edit sensor, and under the sensor feature manager select the displacement and then select the resultant displacement here and change its units from inch to millimeter, and here you see the resultant displacement is 0.08910. as you see, E minus 02 mean 0.0891 is the displacement value for the resultant displacement U. Okay, you can also found the value of displacement component like UX, UY and UZ. Simply repeat the same step to found the values of the remaining displacement components. So first change the displacement value from resultant displacement to S displacement, and here you found the X displacement value, and here you found the Y displacement value, and here you found the Z displacement value, that is almost nearly equal to 0. As you see, E power minus 06 means 0.00003259 and so on. Okay. You can also verify the resultant displacement and the displacement component UX, UY and UZ by simply evaluating the result of the equation, that is U is equal to square root of UX square plus UY square plus UZ square, and then simply substitute all these values into this equation, and then you can simply verify the result from this equation. Alright, simply click this OK, and now move to the stress 2. Simply right click on it and click edit sensor, and now we are actually finding the displacement at location B. So again repeat the same step. First change the data quantity from stress to displacement, and here change its units from inches to millimeter, and here make sure the resultant displacement is selected, and this is the resultant displacement value, that is 0.010 millimeter, and you can also find the X displacement value and the Y displacement value and the Z displacement value, and you found that the X displacement value is in negative and Y displacement value is positive, and in Z displacement value is nearly equal to 0. And you can also verify these results from the equation which I'm told you before. Then simply click OK and then save the result and exit the SolidWorks. Thank you.